that there are measures that we are taking into place to ensure that what happened last season will not happen again. And mostly the issue of ensuring that government subsidy, both in input and the price that government offers, will benefit the farmer directly. Last year, last season, I'm talking of last season because it ended this year, there are people who took advantage of the farmer and supplied maize to the stores. This year, we are so determined that we are going to buy maize at the price that will be agreed to only the farmers. And we have put measures into place to ensure that only farmers will benefit out of that price. And therefore, with the county government, we have agreed to set aggregation centers. For example, last season and the previous seasons, we have only been using 3 stores in Wasigishu County to buy maize. And therefore, it becomes very difficult for the farmer to access that price because of the distance and the tediousness of them selling the maize. And therefore, we are agreeing that we are going to set more than 10 aggregation centers, more than 10, so that farmers can easily access the stores. We have agreed with both the national government and the county government that using the administrative channels that we have, we are going to ensure that we have those aggregation centers safe, security will be provided. We must ensure that we have digital weighing machines into place. Everything must be computerized at the buying center. And at the same time, aflatoxin will have been taken care of, but most importantly, the moisture content. So in those aggregation centers, we have agreed that we shall be able to look at the moisture content are enough. We have agreed that where we do not have government dryers, we are encouraging the investors that we have around here who have dryers to bring in their dryers at 0 cost for the renting of the land. But the same procedure carried by National Cereals is the same procedure they are going to apply. They are going to charge the same charges that National Cereals and Produce Board applies. And therefore, farmers will not be exploited. And farmers will be able to deliver their maize. Maize is received from those buying centers. The same buying centers are the ones that we are going to use for distribution of fertilizer. And therefore, we want to assure Kenyans that we are decongesting the whole process.